Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. Kicking off the evening, back with this 850 that we are about to complete the manual swap and engine swap on. I got this timing belt idler here. I talked to you guys the other day about these parts. You can check them. Man, these things should not spin around and around. Let me go ahead and spin this thing. Look at that thing still spinning. That should spin maybe a turn and a half before you can't use it. Now this one here, this is a brand new tensioner. That thing, you can't even turn that thing one revolution. It's brand new. The one we took off was spinning maybe a half of a revolution, but it had a belt rub on it and he wanted to go all new parts. So that's what we're getting ready to do. We're going to kick this off by putting this timing belt stuff together, and then we'll work on the back, getting that flywheel off and putting the single mass flywheel on. Get that flex plate off of there. Volvo fuel pump relay. The 4th day, the 12th month, 2019. The date on it. My theory is, when you got a bad fuel pump relay, it's winter time, the fuel pump relay is failing, kicking your fuel pump off and on hundreds of times an hour. So you got the day, month, year. Nice, fresh fuel pump relay. Only goes in one way. Don't push this stuff down too hard, because these fuse boxes, this yellow stuff, is getting old. You push it down too hard, break the fuse box, then you're in trouble. Alright, we're going to pitch this one in the trash. I'm going to put this cover on first. Get this inner cover on, and then we're going to put the water pump on. I think some of this water pump holds the cover back on. Front engine mount was cracked, so we're replacing it with a brand new one, a Phoebe one. This engine mount, broken strap, rusting out, all cracked up. We're replacing it. The one back there is the same way. We're replacing it. Swap the Volvo style thermostat over with the bleeder screw. The one that was on the donor engine doesn't have it. We got the struts put together, ready to go in. I'm going to torque the water pump bolts on, put the idler on, and put the belt on. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.